cardboard tubes are an easy way to provide nesting spaces for mason bees. Lining them with paper is a great way to save the tubes, so you can use them year after year. In this video I will show you how to do it. Welcome to Nature Yard Life. Start with a regular piece of paper. You'll need a chopstick, some scissors, and some mason bee tubes. Cut the paper into 2-inch strips. You should get about 6 strips per sheet. Next, roll a strip on an angle around the chopstick so that the sides overlap. Carefully slide the chopstick into the tube and then remove it, leaving the liner behind. Twist one end and then flatten it. Cut off the other end flush with the tube and use the chopstick to open the liner. Done. Here are a couple more examples. Bundle the tubes together using a rubber band. Yeah, I've got some work to do. I hope you've enjoyed the video and found it informative. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.